OpenBuildings Designer Update 8 introduced some improvements to the framing tool for structural elements, which I will now show. But first, I will place a couple of steel columns for us to experiment on. I will select a steel column and select the placement point on the side of the column, and the reason for this I will explain in a couple of minutes. With the columns now placed, I can focus on the steel framing option and the new feature available with it. The new feature available is the ability to select support options, and this is the ability to select insertion by insert line, by midline, or by selected line. I will first start with placing the framing by insert line. I will select the first supporting member and the second supporting member. And as we can see, framing has been placed on the edge of the column, and that is because by insert line option, it creates framing by the line that is created from joining insertion points of the support elements. Now I will move on with the by midline option, first supporting element, second supporting element. This option allows us to create framing between central points of the structural elements, regardless of the point at which they were placed in the first place. And the last option available for us, by selected line, it allows us to select an edge of a structural support element. Like in this case for this column, this edge is now highlighted in blue. And now, by rotating the view, I can select a diagonal edge to it. And as you can see, framing for this pair of columns has been placed diagonally from one edge to another. And that's the option by select line. It allows us to select a particular line of a particular member by which we want to distribute the framing. And this would be all for the new structural framing options.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.